Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about 12 best YouTube automation tools for your channel in 2022. This list of YouTube automation tools can help you and your business become famous. These tools provide a significant social media boost to help you get the recognition you deserve. This implies that YouTube is a great place for showcasing your business or any other activities you are engaged in. With this, you can use the videos as leads or earn commissions from video ad views. If you own a YouTube channel and are looking to get more traffic and generate better revenue, you can try using a YouTube automation tool. If you are skeptical about using YouTube automation tool, there are other ways to grow your online presence. This is time consuming and will cost you a lot of money. YouTube automation tools, on the other hand, are more economical and would save you a lot of stress and time. Now the question is, what is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a process that makes use of YouTube software to automate actions on YouTube. What YouTube automation does is that it increases the traffic on your YouTube channel and increases engagement on the channel. This is in turn translate to the revenue paid to you by YouTube for the level of engagement your channel showcases. YouTube automation has assisted a lot of YouTubers to grow their channels, get a massive audience and make their content popular. Now I will discuss the YouTube automation tools which is best into 2022. There are many brands of YouTube automation tools. Some offer more advantages over others. Number 1. Media Mister. Media Mister is an efficient and classic YouTube automation tool. It is traditional in so many ways. Media Mister has an excellent reputation among us its peers as it is sometimes referred to as a magical automation tool that helps improve social presence at a fantastic rate. A significant percentage of the users using Media Misters are satisfied with their services with over 50,000 reviews of satisfied customer available on their homepage. Their services are also classics as they operate a pay-as-you-go strategy. The second tool is Storm Views. When people think of YouTube automation tool, the first fear is all about safety. This has many YouTubers avoid the use of such software to boost the growth of their account. Storm views like comments and subscribers that you pay for the entirely genuine as they come from real people and not bots. They are known for their simple premise. Storm views users can also combine these packages for maximum user experience. Once you make a single payment for their services, their transaction is completion within 1 to 2 days. The third tool is Vidlic. Vidlic is regarded as a unique YouTube automation tool. It is not your standard YouTube automation tool but more of a YouTube marketer software. Vidlic can serve as a content creator, which would help you increase engagement and your online presence. They offer their basic plan free and it is capable of rendering the majority of their services. These higher plans are paid for and better functionality. The next tool is UseViral. UseViral is an awesome YouTube automation tool. and will rank as one of the best in every list of automation tool. It is one of the safest, fastest, and most accessible YouTube automation tool in the market. The unique quality of UseViral is that it is strictly complied with all rules and terms of agreement for using YouTube automation on YouTube. The results you get using UseViral are outrageous, as they make use of branch out network of popular boosters and influencers that has a long reach. Now the next tool is Sites Media. Sites Media is a reliable YouTube automation tool that guarantees you a great result within a short period. They provide safe and genuine services and have gradually become one of the most trusted automation tools in the world. Site Media offers excellent and high quality services delivered within a fantastic turnaround time. They ensure that you like, comment, shares, and views are multiply at a fast pace. Then after that, the next tool is Tube Assistant Pro. Tube Assistant Pro is a unique YouTube automation tool that is the first of its kind. It is designed to focus mainly on nature growth. This is achieved by smart targeting of users who already exist and are potential followers. Tube Assist Pro crew are highly customer centric as they ensure their users are satisfied with their services by regularly upgrading their services to meet user demands. Tube Assist Pro is designed explicitly for YouTube automation and may not support most social media. After that, the next tool is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a reliable YouTube automation software and the first on this list in the form of browser extension. This make it look ineffective. However, don't be fooled. TubeBuddy is not as easy as it likes. It is a complex automation software. This fantastic YouTube automation uses many forms to showcase its performance boosting. TubeBuddy's core is SEO optimized. When you use YouTubeBuddy, it first figures out your content keywords. Once the keyword have been figured out, it takes a step further to optimize your videos by suggesting headline tags, topics, and captions. It is an excellent option for automating frivolous tasks because it ensures you complete these tasks on a massive scale. Once TubeBuddy has been instructed on the task to carry out and how to go about it, this software proceeds to work and will never need any form of assistance. The next tool after that is FollowersUp. FollowersUp is a highly rated mass social media conglomerate software known for its grade. The unique thing about the followers is that it supports vast automation support to several social media platforms. They are tested and trusted, with hundreds of thousands of automation users making them their preferred choice. FollowersUp has a user-friendly interface that is highly customizable. There is a guarantee on every one of their orders, a time limit, and a scaling price. After that, the next tool is SourceLinator. SourceLinator is a YouTube automation tool that believes they are more than just a YouTube automation tool. A unique feature for SourceLinator is that on their website, there is lots of helpful information about the benefits of using YouTube automation for growth. SourceLinator can help users manage their Facebook, Instagram, and other social media accounts all at once. Although SourceLinator has impressive features, already they keep working on their feature to ensure users get the best experience as they use the tool. The next tool is About Social YouTube. About Social YouTube is a helpful YouTube automation tool designed to help achieve outstanding online presence. This YouTube automation tool is an instrumental software that helps build your YouTube channel by stimulating human activity. This places you in favor of the YouTube algorithm as a proactive user with proactive audiences and puts you ahead of your completion. After that, the next mechanism is Javi. This is an old-time YouTube automation tool that has been around for a long time. Javi is most creditly as a pioneer of the YouTube automation software business. It offers a high level of automation for YouTube users. This YouTube automation tools autopilot protocol scan for followers. It will unfollow inactive YouTube profiles and cancel the one-hit support from accounts that are deemed to be fake. It also keeps evolving as the conversation goes on to avoid the rigidity of automation text. The next method is YT Monster. YT Monster, which stands for YouTube Monster, is a service platform that gives a different twist to YouTube growth. YT Monster simply functions in a like for like of comment, subscribe for subscribe service for free users. Now the question is, do YouTube automation tool really work? The answer to this is a big yes. Does YouTube support YouTube automation tool? YouTube supports automation tools completely, but there are laid down rules to use one as well as lots of restrictions. Do YouTube automation tool require proxy? YouTube automation tool does not require proxy. Now I come to the conclusion. In this age where social media dominance and dependence counts the number of followers and subscribers you have gives your business an edge for success. The more subscribers you have, the more online presence you gain, ensuring your company has a better chance of success. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.